Hello everyone, we are from STK31053 Petroleum Chemistry Subgroup 1. Today we will present our project with title Diesel Euro 5.
The chemical composition of Euro 5 diesel consists of alkane, cycloalkane, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon, and aromatic carbon. Alkane, also known as paraffin, is saturated hydrocarbon with straight or branch change. The example of alkane is hexadecane. Next is cycloalkane, also known as naphthene. Cycloalkane is saturated hydrocarbon with cyclic structure. One of the example is cyclohexane. Then the next one is polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon, also known as short form PAH. PAH is complex aromatic chemical with fused benzene ring. The example is phenanthrene. And the last one is aromatic hydrocarbon, which is unsaturated hydrocarbon with one aromatic ring. The example is benzene.
Diesel Euro 5 fuel, also known as ultra low sulfur diesel (ULSD), is a type of diesel fuel that meets the European Union's EN 590 standards. Below are the characteristics of the diesel fuel. First is the density, is around 840 kg per meter cube. Second is the viscosity of diesel fuel at 40 degrees Celsius, is 2.4 millipascal seconds. Third is the heat of evaporation, around 250 to 290 kilojoule per kilogram. And fourth is the cold filter plunging point (CFPP), which indicates the operability of diesel when cooled below the cloud point. Is around -5 degrees Celsius to -11 degrees Celsius. The sulfur content of diesel is limited to less than 10 ppm. Hence, the use of diesel will not increase harmful emissions to the environment and also improve engine lubrication. Next is the cloud point. Cloud point is the stability of the fuel at low temperature operations. This characteristic is applicable to countries with a winter season. This is an important parameter because the wax precipitate will clog the fuel filters and atomizers, resulting in poor performance of the engine. The cloud point of diesel is normally around -1 degree Celsius. And the last one is the cetane index. It is a measure of the fuel's ignition quality. For diesel Euro 5, the cetane index is at a minimum of 46. The higher the cetane number, it benefits in short ignition delay, improved cold start, reduced white smoke during startup, low emissions, low engine noise, and low fuel consumption.
I'm Janice. Now I would like to present about the other characteristic for diesel. First one, pour point. The pour point is the low temperature performance for diesel fuel, also the lowest temperature where diesel ceases to flow. The pour point for diesel is around -6 to -10 degrees Celsius. Next, fresh point. Fresh point is the lowest temperature at which diesel produces sufficient vacuums that result in the inflammable mixture in the air and ignites when the ignition source is provided. The fresh point for diesel is around 55 degrees Celsius. Thus is lubricity. It indicates the ability to reduce friction between moving parts of a diesel engine. The lubricity for diesel is 4,6 or microns. The odor for diesel is vegetable. Oxidation stability for diesel is 25 mg per liter, while the particulate matter is less than 24 mg per kilo. Thank you.
So diesel Euro 5 is a type of automatic diesel fuel that adheres to the European Union's stringent Euro 5 emission standard. So the application for the diesel Euro 5, which is passenger vehicles, is widely used in passenger cars equipped with diesel engines. So it can lower the emissions and improve fuel efficiency. So the next is commercial vehicles. So the light and heavy duty commercial vehicles such as vans, trucks, and bus use diesel Euro 5 to meet emission regulation. This helps in reducing the environmental impact of the transportation and logistic industry. So next is construction and agriculture machinery. So diesel powered construction equipment and agriculture machinery often use diesel Euro 5 to meet regulatory requirement and minimize their ecological footprint. So the last is public transportation. So the buses and other form of public transportation utilize diesel Euro 5 to ensure compliance with local and national air quality standard, contributing to cleaner urban environments.
This is the KBR FTIR analysis. The diesel Euro 5 showed the highest absorbance at 2925.08 per cm, which is associated with the symmetric CH stretching vibration of allopathic methyl CH3 groups. Wave number 1746.58 per cm disclose the presence of C double bond or stretching vibration found in carbonyl groups, which could reveal the existence of esters or other substances that contain oxygen. Besides, the peaks at 1458.42 per cm and 1383.42 per cm confirm the bending vibration of the CH2 and CH3 groups. Moreover, the peak at 1172.56 per cm suggests the existence of oxygenated substances by matching C or stretching vibration. Furthermore, the absorption of 725.07 per cm corresponds to out-of-plan CH bending vibration of alkane.
For GCIS analysis, the figure shows the chromatogram of the diesel Euro 5 and the table shows the top 5 main components inside the diesel Euro 5. The compound which contains the highest abundance percentage of 10.76% in the diesel Euro 5 was heptadecane. Heptadecane is a straight-chain alkane with the chemical formula C17H36, which plays an important role in contributing to the manufacturing of sustainable aviation fuel via hydrocracking procedure. Moreover, the presence of hexadecanoic acid, methyl ester, and 9-octadecenoic acid, methyl ester E, they have a high setting number enhanced diesel Euro 5 fuel's ability to ignite due to the combustion was more complete and lower pollutants released to the environment. Next, beta-decane was found in the analysis of diesel Euro 5 with an abundance percentage of 5.33%, which is important in enhancing diesel fuel's lubricity and protecting against wear on fuel injection machinery. Last but not least, 2-methyl hexachloroquine with the chemical formula C27H56 was found as the top number 5 in the abundance percentage of diesel Euro 5 as the energy content supplied during the chemical process.